What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise News. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video where we get the debut of the new Subaru Crosstrek. Yes, Subaru has unveiled the third generation of the Crosstrek in Japan, improving many aspects of the subcompact crossover that now wants to be called an SUV. Now, the new global model drops the XV suffix, bringing modern styling and tech while being based on the updated version of the predecessor's underpinnings. Now, Subaru introduced the Crosstrek XV in 2011 as a crossover version of the Impreza, with the second generation following in 2017. Now, the third generation model is instantly recognizable despite the fact that all body panels have been redesigned. Judging from its predecessors, it also serves as a preview for the next generation Impreza minus the plastic cladding. Now, in terms of footprint, the new Crosstrek measures 4,480 millimeters, 176.4 inches long, 1,800 millimeters, 70.9 inches wide, and 1,580 millimeters, 62.2 inches tall, with a wheelbase of 2,670 millimeters, 105.1 inches. Now, those figures are nearly identical to the outgoing Crosstrek, apart from the length, which is extended by 15 millimeters, 0.6 inches. Now, the front gets a larger hexagonal grille that is connected to the slimmer and full LED headlights, looking pretty similar to the rest of the Subaru's lineup. Now, that's somewhat of a Mazda-esque flavor. Now, the plastic protective trim now occupies more space at the front bumper, enhancing the adventurous look in combination with the fender add-ons and the pronounced roof rails. Now, the profile is an evolution of the same and the familiar window line, muscular fenders, plus the new design of the 17-inch or 18-inch wheels. And at the back, the smaller C-shaped LED taillights are better integrated with the bodywork, while the tailgate and rear bumper are more sculpted than before. Similarly, the plastic cladding on the rear bumper has been increased, housing the diffuser-style skid plate and reflectors. Now, inside the cabin, the dashboard has been redesigned, adopting a large 11.6-inch infotainment touchscreen already found in the WRX and Levorg, and the physical climate controls are gone and now integrated within the touchscreen. Interestingly, Subaru didn't add a digital instrument cluster, keeping the O unit with analog dials instead. Now, depending on the variant, the seats are upholstered in fabric or leather with silver stitching. Finally, an anti-slip and scratch-resistant mountain motif texture has been added to the side sill plates and the boot entrance. Now, in terms of safety, Subaru added the new generation of its eyesight system with a wide-angle monocular camera and improved software. Now, as mentioned earlier, the Crosstrek sits on the upgraded version of the modular Subaru global platform, which was originally introduced in 2016. Now, improvements on the structure with new types of adhesives are shared with the larger WRX and Levorg for greater rigidity and better NVH. Now, under the hood, you'll find the familiar 2-liter e-Boxer hybrid powertrain, sending power to all four wheels through a Linetronic CVT and Subaru symmetrical all-wheel drive system. Now, the company didn't announce any output figures, but said that the powertrain has been slightly reworked for reduced vibration and noise. Additional engine options should be expected in the future, with reports about a smaller displacement engine replacing the old 2-liter Boxer, as well as the carry-over naturally aspirated 2.5-liter for North America. Now, the market launch of the third generation Subaru Crosstrek is scheduled for 2023, and sales will start from Japan and gradually roll out to the other global markets. In the US, Subaru has recently announced the old model for the 2023 model year, so it's safe to assume that the new generation will arrive as a 2024. So with that said, what do you guys think about the all-new Subaru Crosstrek? Let me know down in the comments below, and if you guys did enjoy the video today, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. Giving the video a like will help get it up in the rankings, more people can see it, and we'll have a bigger discussion on the third generation Crosstrek SUV. Now, with that said, if you guys want to help further support the channel and enjoy what I do here, make sure you check those links down in the description below. I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, my Cash App, Venmo, and Patreon. Just in case you guys want to donate $1 or $2 and help further support the channel, I appreciate that love and support, guys. Thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch in case you guys want t-shirts, stickers, tank tops, hoodies, everything Ron's Rise is there. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter. See everything I'm posting, car memes, pictures, and videos that doesn't always make it here to the channel. Now make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click that notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise News video. Peace.